Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got a beauty bargain, a Korean skincare beauty bargain, and it only cost me £13.96 from iHerb. I have never bought from iHerb before. I think I must have seen it on a pop-up or something on Facebook. Intrigued, I love Korean beauty, went and had a look and thought, ooh, okay, there's a few full-size products in there for £13.96. So I got the information up here. Still in stock. 5,000 of these have sold in the last 30 days. Basically, it normally sells for £33.51. It's a trial discount and it's limited to one product per customer. It's not clear whether it sells for £33.51 or it is worth £33.51. But it says it contains 8 mini favourites for a fresh, soothed, glowing skin, perfect for trial or travel. And if you fall in love, full sizes are ready to join your daily ritual. As always, if you're interested in getting one of these for yourself for this price, then you'll find a link down below in my description, and down there you see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites. So yeah, I had to get it, and then obviously I had to share it with you lot. They've got a load of Korean beauty on the iHerb website. I thought it would just be like supplements and things, but it's not. So let's give you a little bit of a close-up. You might be familiar with certain brands. But yeah, it's the first time I'm actually opening it properly. Start off with the masks then. Koreans are known for amazing sheet masks, and we got two. Oh no, we got a card. Oh, I got a card. We've got two here. Oh, I like this. This is really good. There's a card here and it gives you all the information about the products on how to use it then, you know, what it's best for. So that's handy. Okay. We have got Biodance. This is a refreshing sea kelp real deep mask. It contains kelp fermented, filtrate, deep seawater and dazima. It's calming, purifying and refreshing. That sounds nice. And yeah, although it is in Korean, it's also in English there as well. Gel type facial mask to calm the skin and achieve purified, healthy skin. Then we've got like a 2-step mask, I think. Well, there's 2 there anyway. This is Numbuzin. I haven't heard of this brand. This is NAD Bio. Lifting-sil full face mask. See, there is 2. A time reversing premium lifting mask with a top half containing NAD Bio capsules to restore radiance, and the bottom half with PLA thread and high elastic fibres to firm and lift sagging skin. Remove and unfold the mask, apply to the face, starting with the eye area and press down. It's going to be one of those things where I'm just going to have to open it up and see, isn't it? And that's all it says. This one is for the top half and this one's for the bottom half. That's what I'm guessing. But if you've tried that, let me know. Oh, hold on. This goes with it. This goes with it. Okay. Number 9 sheet mask lifting band. Used together with a sheet mask for enhanced lifting effect. Oh, thankfully, there's a QR code that you can scan for instructions. I love stuff like this. A little bit different, isn't it? Then we have got a brand called VT, and it's 100 Collagen Reedle Shot. Oh, Reedle, not needle, Reedle. Formula refines rough skin, giving it a smoother appearance. Use at the first step of daily skincare. After cleansing, take an adequate amount and massage into the bare face. Once the skin absorbs the product, apply a moisturising skincare product to finish. A starter stick for managing elasticity that boosts skin with VT's exclusive Collagen Reedle and helps to reduce sagginess with collagen. Whoa. You might feel a slight tingling sensation, which is completely normal and indicates skin improvement. The amount of natural microneedles in the Reedle Shot line increases from 300 to 700, starting from 100, because it takes time for the skin to adjust to the natural cosmetic needles. We recommend starting with a small amount and gradually increasing the amount used. Oh, okay, this is making more sense. I got a load of them here. I suppose this is like a starter pack then. They're all the same. I was expecting them to be like weaker going up to stronger. So yeah, so this is essentially a starting pack. Well, again, intrigued. I like the sound of that. And then we've got Tocobo. This is a coconut clay cleansing foam. And there is 10 mils, no, 15 mils there. It says, take an adequate amount onto your hands, roll on the hand to make rich bubbles, massage on the face and wash off with clean water. Coconut pink mineral clay, saponaria extract. Yeah, so a coconut clay cleansing foam. Then we've got Dr. Althea Pro Lab. This is a relief cream, a 345 relief cream. And there is 10 mils there. Dr. Althea's special formula created relief cream can be used according to one's own skin conditions. Suitable for acne-prone skin, non-comedogenic. That's it really. So it's a serum, a relief serum, more like a calming, soothing serum, I'm guessing. Then we got Purito from Seoul, and this is a Mighty Bamboo Panthenol cream. It's a facial moisture cream, a moisturizing cream. Panthenol, commonly known as vitamin B5, effectively restores the damaged skin barrier, granting your skin a radiant glow. It's that. Then you've got Anua. This is 77 plus. It's a soothing toner, and there's 40 mils there. Infused with the highest concentration of Heartleaf extract, known best for its calming effects. This toner designed to soothe, tone, hydrate, and balance the skin's pH level. And then lastly, it's an all-day vitamin brightening and balancing facial serum. This is from Jumiso, I think that's how you say it. And there's 7 mils there. The serum enriched with sea blackthorn extract to help even skin tone and provide deep hydration. Gentle and non-irritating, it applies comfortably and is suitable for daily use without any discomfort. And there you go. Right then, let's go through them all. So we've got a vitamin brightening serum. We've got a soothing facial toner. We've got a Mighty Bamboo Panthenol moisturizing cream. We've got a coconut clay cleansing cream or cleansing foam. We've got a 345 relief serum. Then we've got Collagen Reedle Shots, a pack of 10, 100 strength. Then we've got this really cool lifting mask, which, yeah, can't wait to try that. And then we've got a refreshing sea kelp and deep sea mask for £13.96. I think that is so good. I can't remember if I paid any postage. Let's have a look. Yeah, I paid postage. It was £3.95 or 99 on top. It came to £17.95 altogether. If I bought anything else as free postage, I think it was £35 or more. So I could have done that. But yeah, I'd love to know what you think. If you've bought it, they've got loads of these kits on there, all different prices, but this is the cheapest one. And as I said, it can only be used if you've never bought from them before. I've noticed when I've gone onto the website now to check, it has gone up to £30.16p I'd have to pay. So if I wanted another one. But yeah, let me know what you think. Take care. Bye.